Let's go check the garden in mid-October in Colorado, Zone 5B. We are going to have snow, first frost on Friday in 3 days. But we still have beautiful day. We're still enjoying our flowers, but not for long. Let's go check. Geranium still blooming, but it needs to go inside in a couple days. Zinnia, so happy. Marigold Kingdom. My ornamental grass, it's beautiful. Autumn Joy Sedum. Zinnias, beautiful. I will collect some seeds because I love those zinnias. Tobacco plant still blooming. Cosmos, almost done. I even didn't do this dead head anymore. I let them produce seeds. New England perennial aster, it's done. Pretty short blooming time. Garlic chive is done, but they have very nice seed pods. If you do not want a lot of babies in the spring, cut them down and throw away. But I will leave it for birds, and I like volunteers in my garden because I sell plants. Russian sage still have some life in it, and I did read about sage that you do not need to trim it in the fall. You should trim it in the spring. Tall zinnias. I will plant just short version zinnias, which I love better than those tall ones. Still looks nice. Garden sage. So nice, beautiful silver color all summer. It's not about the bloom, it is about foliage. My snowball bush turning red. Coreops is still blooming. I love this plant. It's annual, but seeds very well. I will have in this spot a lot next year because they dropped seeds. Marigolds in the garden. Leek from last year producing seeds. Pom-pom grass, one flower. Tall zinnia. I already collected some seeds. My mom from last year, I planted it in the ground and it's blooming pretty nice. It's a little bit shady spot. I should move it to more sunshine. Yarrow is almost done. It's time. Autumn Joy. Still nice, but not for long. They are very sensitive. After the freeze on Friday, they will be done. And I need to pick pears. They are very late in season. Jack pop-up. I cannot remember the name. They are small daisies. Just a quick tour in my garden. What is going on in mid-October in Colorado, Zone 5B. Like my video if you like, subscribe if you want. I will see you next time. Happy gardener. Happy gardening.